Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to provide a detailed walkthrough on how to set up and secure your Binance account. As the industry's leading exchange, Binance offers a ton of features, and we're going to master the basics together. To start the process correctly, look for the official link I've placed in the description and pinned comment below, as it activates a 50% fee payback and a $600 reward package for your new account. Once the sign-up page loads, you'll need to choose your registration method, either your email or your phone number. Input your preferred contact info, and most importantly, take a moment to review the terms of service. Check the agreement box. Lastly, click the Continue. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code immediately. Enter that code into the field on your screen to verify your identity. Lastly, click the Continue. Next, we need to create a secure password. For a tutorial standard password, ensure it is at least 8 characters long and includes both a number and an uppercase letter. Your account is live. If prompted for an inviter code, just ensure it's there to secure those initial bonuses. Next, let's move into the KYC, or Know Your Customer phase. This is a mandatory tutorial step because without it, you won't be able to fund your account or trade. Since this requires a live facial scan, the most efficient way to finish is using the Binance mobile app. Download the app from the App Store and open it in. After that, log in with your brand new account and you'll see the verification screen. Select your nationality and choose your identification document. Whether you use a national ID, driver's license, or passport, the tutorial steps remain the same. These are usually verified in about 5 minutes. Select Take Pictures as your submission method and hit Continue. You'll want to take a clear photo of both the front and the back of your ID, making sure the text is legible and it fits perfectly within the camera frame on your screen. After that, it's time for the facial scan. Just fit your face into the oval frame on the screen and follow the simple on-screen movements. To wrap this up, the system will ask you to confirm your name, date of birth, and address. Hit that Continue button. Then simply select your current occupation and click Continue. And finally, pick your specific industry and hit Continue once more. Your application will go under review. You can check your progress anytime by visiting your Profile tab. Our final tutorial objective is to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which is the gold standard for crypto security. Switch back to your PC, look at the left-hand menu under the Account tab, and click on Security. You'll see a specific option for Authenticator app. Go ahead and click Manage right next to that. Click Enable. Binance will send a code to your registered email or phone. Enter that code to reveal a unique QR code on your screen. Leave this window open while we set up the tool on your phone. Install the Google Authenticator app, open it, tap Get Started, and I recommend choosing Use without signing in for maximum privacy. Tap Add a code and select Scan a QR code. Point your phone camera at the QR code on your monitor. Your app will instantly start generating a rotating 6-digit code for Binance. To finish the link, go back to your PC, click Next, and type in the current 6-digit code shown on your phone. Click Submit, and your security shield is active. You've successfully completed the full Binance onboarding tutorial. Your account is now secure, verified, and ready for your first trade. If this guide helped you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.